Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Marini Starter Skincare Management System, a travel-size set designed for those who want to keep their skin glowing and healthy, even while on the go. This set includes a cleanser, face serum, face lotion, face cream, and face protectant, essential products for a complete skincare regimen aimed at normal or combination skin. Let's break down what makes this system tick. First off, the Bioglycolic Face Cleanser is a daily cleanser that gently exfoliates while removing impurities from the skin, preparing your complexion for the other products in the kit. It has a light texture and a refreshing feel, which makes it a great addition to your morning routine. The set also features two key skincare boosters, the Transformation Face Cream and the Siesta Face Serum. The cream is packed with hyaluronic acid and peptides, two powerhouses known for intense hydration and skin plumping. The Siesta Serum, with its blend of vitamin C and DMAE, works to support a smoother, more even complexion. Together, these products aim to hydrate, tighten, and brighten the skin. To finish off the routine, there's the broad-spectrum face sunscreen SPF 33, a daily protectant that shields your skin from harmful UV rays while helping to control oil and shine. It's an essential in any skincare regimen to ensure your skin stays protected and nourished all day long. Now, let's talk about how these products perform in the real world. Using this kit for a week, I found the cleanser to be very effective without being overly harsh. It left my skin feeling fresh and clean, but not stripped, which is essential for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. The face cream and serum felt lightweight, and I could definitely feel a difference in hydration after just a few applications. My skin looked more radiant and felt soft, without any heavy or greasy residue. The sunscreen, on the other hand, absorbed quickly and didn't leave a white cast, which is a huge plus for daily wear. In terms of usability, the travel-size packaging is a great perk. Each product is compact, making it ideal for those on the move. It also helps you avoid the hassle of carrying full-size bottles while still providing enough product for a thorough skincare routine over a couple of weeks. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: the cleanser is effective yet gentle, and the serum and cream provide great hydration. The sunscreen offers decent protection without feeling too heavy or greasy. The travel size set is perfect for people who want to test the brand or are always on the go. Cons: the face serum contains vitamin C, which can be sensitive to light and air, so storing it properly is essential. Some users might prefer larger quantities, as these travel-size products may not last as long for daily use, especially if you have a larger skincare routine. In terms of value for money, the Marini kit is priced higher than many drugstore options, but you're definitely paying for quality here. The ingredients, hyaluronic acid, peptides, DMAE, and vitamin C, are backed by solid research and are known to deliver results. The travel size aspect does help reduce the upfront cost if you're not ready to commit to full-size products. So if you're looking for a high-performance skincare routine with ingredients that really target skin health, this set might be worth the investment. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few more affordable options like CeraVe or Neutrogena, which offer similar hydration and sun protection. However, if you're after targeted results like anti-aging and brightening, Marini's advanced formulas stand out in that category. Regarding build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, making it easy to take on trips. I didn't notice any issues with leaks or breakages during my testing period. As for longevity, the products are designed to provide long-term results with consistent use, especially with ingredients like vitamin C and peptides that support skin regeneration over time. As for customer support, Marini has a solid reputation for responding to inquiries and assisting with any issues, though I didn't personally have to reach out during my testing. Still, knowing that their customer service is reliable can help make your purchase feel more secure. To wrap things up, this starter kit does a lot for your skin in a short amount of time. It offers a balanced mix of hydration, anti-aging benefits, and protection, all packaged conveniently for travel. If you're looking for a skincare system that delivers visible results, especially for normal to combination skin, this could be a solid option for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.